Hi, I'm Miss Kovacs. Welcome to Algebra 2 this year. So I just wanted to make a welcome video, go over expectations, some technology we'll be using. So to start, these are our expectations for this year, so I'll be going over a lot of this in class as well. So our first thing, just general things to follow, just be kind in school. You never know what people are going through. Be true to your school, make the most of your time at Lenape, be open to new and different things. So sometimes we might experience challenging problems in math, and I want you to be willing to work at them and become a better problem solver. Always have a growth mindset. You don't have to be perfect, but you should always be getting better. And own your learning. So practice makes perfect. You get better at math by regularly checking and practicing and correcting your answers. In class, make sure you come prepared every day. Bring your Chromebooks, make sure they're charged. So now some materials that I think we should have this year. I want you to have a notebook or binder, whatever you prefer to keep track of your notes or handouts. I would also suggest getting one of those little notebooks that have graph paper inside of it, because we're going to be graphing a lot and we're trying to go paperless this year. So I won't be giving you any papers, because of COVID-19, we don't want everyone touching the same materials. And then your TI Inspire CX or CX2. What we're going to learn this year, we're going to start off with a review of Algebra 1, and we're going to go into probability and statistics, quadratic functions, polynomials, rational functions, radicals, exponential logarithms, and trigonometry. It'll be super fun. So extra help, I am always available during the teacher time in the afternoon, so from 12 to 2:30. You can set up to have an appointment with me for extra help. I can meet with you through Google Meet, or just what time works for you. Just send me an email. Communication is key this year. So just if you ever have any questions or problems, email me and we will work out when to get extra help. For our virtual learning expectations, you should attend all Google Meet meetings for attendance for the day. So we're going to have class in school, but also anyone who's virtual that day, either in cohort B or 100% virtual, you're going to join in a Google Meet and follow along with us for the day. Everything will be on Google Classroom. So attendance might be different every day, but I'm going to have you do different activities, and I'll make it clear what to do each day. Complete all work on time. Communicate with me if you cannot for some reason. We're going to be using Edpuzzle, Seesaw, GoFormative, and I will take you through those right now. So the first thing I want to look at is our Google Classroom. So there's a link right here. It will take you to a Google site. So I will have everything you need on your Google Classroom, but my Google site is also another resource for you. So everything here is clickable. So if you need to email me, you can click this and it automatically will open an email to me, or click on contact me and it has my email here. Right down here, the district website. This will take you to your Genesis, the district website, and right here is our rotating schedule and when you will have class. You can come down here and find your class, such as Algebra 2, and I'm going to keep everything up to date. So your expectations, click there, and they will be up here. Let's go back. Tech info, your codes to join Remind or Google Classroom are here. And then each week I'm going to post the videos that I make, and this will expand down when I upload videos. And I will also post your weekly assignments, just so everything's in one place. And down at the bottom here, I have distance learning resources. So if you can't figure out any of these platforms that we're going to be using in school, you can click on it. This will bring you right to Edpuzzle. So for example, we're going to use Edpuzzle to watch videos for the year, and I will be able to see who watches it, and I can embed questions and everything. So you can't be skipped. If you close out of the browser tab, it will actually pause your video. So you can't keep watching it. Here's instructions on how to log in, and then right here's a tutorial of how you can use Edpuzzle. Seesaw, you can download the app. I'm just going to use this as quick little exit tickets each day, which may count as your attendance. So make sure you download the Seesaw class app, or you go to this website right here, and then there's a video here too. Go formative, this is where we might do like our assessments and assignments. So it allows you to actually insert math problems. So I pulled up like a student view of Go formative. So your assessment would be like on the left-hand side. And then on this right-hand side is where you answer questions. So in order to show your work, you click on this. You can draw or add images. So if you do the work, in like on your phone and take a picture, you can upload it right onto here to show your work. So just make sure you're keeping track of everything. In Google Classroom, also under classwork, we have an attendance folder and an archived assignments folder. So for attendance, whatever I have you do that day, you can come and submit in this folder. For old assignments, so if you miss an assignment, I'm going to move them to the archived assignments after a week. So I can't wait to meet everyone. It's going to be a great year. Yay!